Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, today's video is about BRPR EA. We are going to review this expert advisor today, and we started this expert advisor on this particular account on 21st of August. So it is almost 6 months, right? It's not 6 months exactly, but yes, almost 6 months that we are about to complete, maybe next week. Let's start from here. We started with 501. However, the minimum recommendation to trade is 1,000 US dollar or equivalent. And please ignore the first three trades because they were taken manually, and I was not aware that I was going to trade with this expert advisor on this particular account. So please ignore the first three trades, and then later on, let's start from here. Okay. And please focus on the lot size also. It has a feature that like two-side averaging, right? Like uh, like it used to trade on the trend trading strategy, but in case if the market direction change a bit, then it used to adjust and take the two-side averaging as well, as and when needed, as and when the situation allows, and as well as the as and when the opportunity is there. It is not something like it will keep used to averaging the both sides. Otherwise, like how you're going to make a profit, right? And the maximum, like we have kept it very sophisticated like setting where we are not going to increase the lot size very much. However, like in case of extreme condition, the maximum lot size that has gone up to zero point 0.05, 0.04 actually, but not more than that. But yes, our trade stays for in the market for a little since we were using the lower lot size, and hence we okay. So with a deposit of like 501, we made a profit of 1324 in a matter of almost 6 months, right? It's not 6 months, a little less. And if you see the running trades right now, if you can see, like there are a couple of few buy and few sell orders right now, right? There were few buy orders also. I think like it has closed few of the buy trades just now. Okay, and let me go to the myfx book statistics so you can just check it a little better. Hi, so this is the myfx book page, as you can see it over here, right? And this is the statistics, and this is the equity graph from 21st of August till today. Today is showing like 16. Okay, today is 16, but I'm not sure. Okay, anyways, this is the growth graph, this is the balance graph, this is the profit graph, and this is the drawdown graph, right? So based on this, these statistics, uh, like the maximum drawdown was 42.14%. That is a little bit more than expected. But yes, since we were trading with just 500, and however the minimum recommendation is 1,000, so might be that could be a case. Okay. Anyways, the monthly is around 24.15%, and it has been consistent in last 6 months, as you can see. Okay. So these are statistics. This week we made 2.39%. This month we made 7.74%, and this year we made 23%, 0.24% so far. And if you like to see, right, these are the statistics. You can check it over. I have also included this link in the video description. And here is the monthly. Like if you would like to check, in August we started, right? So it's 17.52%, then 34.1%, and in October 31.83%. In November it's 21%, and in December it was 17%. In 2024, 14.39%, and this month we made 7.74%. I've included this the same link in the video in the video description also. You can just go through that, and in case if you have any question about this expert advisor or any other expert advisor videos that I have included in my YouTube channel, feel free to contact me. This is specifically for Euro USD, and you can one can trade any currency pair, but yes, Euro USD is recommended because it is made for Euro USD. So if you have any question about this or any expert advisor videos that I've included in my YouTube channel, feel free to contact me, and please join my Telegram channel as well as YouTube channel. Both in Telegram channel you can get more information about this and other expert advisor, and there is a separate Telegram channel where I used to include a common information, whether that is year related or whether that could be some kind of offers or maybe some kind of free education or maybe some types of free expert advisors. Sometimes like few of the expert advisors we used to create for a community for free. every month. But those EAs are separate, and we used to provide them for free. So please join our Telegram channel, and I will not bother you with more notification, so you will not get bothered. Thank you very much, guys. Stay tuned, and please join our Telegram channel as and YouTube channel, and please enjoy, and thanks for watching.